Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to turn your daily steps into cash, gift cards, and more? Walking is one of the easiest ways to stay healthy, but did you know it can also be profitable? Today, we're diving into 6 amazing apps that will actually pay you to walk. Whether you're a casual stroller or a dedicated marathoner, these apps have something for everyone, so lace up those sneakers, grab your water bottle, and let's get moving. 1. Optimity. Kicking off our list is Optimity, an app designed not just for walking, but for promoting a holistic approach to health and wellness. Optimity rewards you with gems for a variety of healthy activities. Whether you're drinking water, answering health surveys, or engaging in daily activities like stretching and mindful breathing, you'll be earning those gems in no time. Now, here's the best part. Optimity offers bonuses for consistency. Keep up with your step goals day after day, and watch your gem multiplier increase. Imagine earning 50 gems a day just for sticking to your routine. That's motivation to keep going, but what can you do with these gems? You can redeem them for discounts on merchandise, gift cards, or even enter raffles. Plus, Optimity has a premium version available for $10 per month, which comes with some fantastic perks like $5,000 of no-exam life insurance and subscriptions to popular wellness apps like Headspace and ClassPass. It's a comprehensive health platform that goes beyond just counting steps. Optimity syncs with a variety of health tracking platforms like Fitbit, Google Fit, Apple Health, and Samsung Health, making it super convenient no matter what device you're using. If you're in the US or Canada, this app is definitely worth checking out. 2. Evidation. Next up, we have Evidation, an app that rewards you for staying active and healthy. Originally known as Achievement, Evidation allows you to earn points for a wide range of activities. You can accumulate up to 80 points per day just by walking, and that's not all. Weighing yourself, meditating, even tweeting about your health can earn you extra points. The point system is straightforward. Every 10,000 points can be exchanged for a $10 gift card or PayPal cash. While it might take a little time to reach that 10,000 point mark, especially if you're not maxing out your daily points, the rewards are real and tangible. Plus, there's no rush since points never expire. One of the unique aspects of Evidation is its connection to over 20 different fitness apps, including big names like Garmin, MyFitnessPal, and Apple Health. This means you have the flexibility to track your activity in the way that works best for you. Additionally, you can opt to participate in research studies and surveys through the app for extra points, contributing to the broader field of health science while earning rewards. It's important to note that after transitioning from Achievement to Evidation, some users have reported technical issues with syncing steps. But don't let that deter you. Evidation remains one of the most reliable apps for turning your healthy habits into cash rewards. 3. Miles app. Let's talk about the Miles app, an app that rewards you for every single mile you travel, no matter how you do it. Walking, running, cycling, driving, even if you're riding a unicycle, Miles has got you covered. What's really cool about this app is that it automatically detects your trips. No need to remember to open the app or manually log your miles. It's all done for you. For every mile you travel, you earn 10 points. While this might not sound like much at first, those points start to add up over time. You can redeem your points for a variety of rewards, including discounts on merchandise, raffle entries, gift cards, or even donations to charity. However, there's a bit of a catch. The redemption rate can be high. For example, you might need between 7,500 and 10,000 points for just $1 of gift card value, depending on the card you choose. Some users have also mentioned that the cost of redeeming points for gift cards is a little steep, which might slow down your progress toward rewards. That said, Miles is perfect for anyone who's constantly on the move. It works globally, and since it's available on both Android and iOS, pretty much anyone can start earning. Just remember to keep your GPS on because that's how the app tracks your movements. If you're someone who travels a lot or simply enjoys long walks, the Miles app could be a great fit for you. 4. Lifecoin. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves walking, Lifecoin might be the perfect app for you. Lifecoin rewards you for every step you take outdoors. For every 1,055 steps, you earn 1 Lifecoin, and you can earn up to 5 Lifecoins per day. While that might seem like a small number, those Lifecoins can be redeemed for some pretty cool rewards, including gift cards, merchandise, and PayPal cash. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the redemption threshold is quite high. For example, you need at least 2,500 500 life coins to get a $50 gift card. This means you'll need to walk about 1,250 miles before you can cash out. Definitely not a quick win, but for regular walkers, it's a steady way to accumulate rewards. Another thing to note is that Lifecoin relies on GPS data to track your steps, so if you're walking on a treadmill or indoors, those steps won't count. Additionally, some users have reported that the app can drain your device's battery life, so it's something to consider if you're planning long walks. Lifecoin is currently only available on iOS, and you need to be at least 18 years old to join. If you're committed to walking outdoors and don't mind the high redemption threshold, Lifecoin can be a fun way to make your steps work for you. 5. Fit for Bucks. Fit for Bucks is another app that rewards you for walking, but with a unique twist. Unlike some other apps, Fit for Bucks allows you to redeem rewards much faster. For example, just 30,000 steps can earn you a free appetizer at certain restaurants. If you're someone who enjoys instant gratification, this app could be just what you're looking for. However, there is a catch. Many of the rewards offered by Fit for Bucks are limited to businesses in the Los Angeles and Santa Monica areas. If you're not in that region, you might find the rewards less appealing. The app does offer some online rewards like discounts on merchandise, but users have mentioned that these discounts aren't always substantial. In some cases, they don't even cover the cost of shipping. Fit for Bucks syncs with several platforms including Apple Watch, Fitbit, and iPhone's Health Kit, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. But keep in mind that your steps expire at the end of the following month, so you'll need to redeem them before they disappear. If you're in the LA area, Fit for Bucks could be a great way to enjoy some local perks while staying active. 6. Cashwalk. Last on our list is Cashwalk, an Android-exclusive app that rewards you with step coins for every 100 steps you take. With a daily limit of 100 step coins, you can earn up to 10,000 steps per day, which equals about $1 in value. What sets Cashwalk apart is its low redemption threshold. If you're consistent, you can earn a $5 gift card twice a month. The app offers a variety of rewards, including gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and eBay. The layout of Cashwalk is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to track your progress. Plus, there's a trends feature that helps you monitor your miles walked, calories burned, and time spent active. One thing to note is that you'll need a Facebook or Google account to sign up for Cashwalk. Additionally, you can earn extra step coins by putting Cashwalk on your lock screen, which is a nice little bonus. If you're an Android user looking for a straightforward app that rewards you for your daily steps, Cashwalk is definitely worth considering. And with the variety of rewards available, you're sure to find something that motivates you to keep moving. And there you have it, 6 real apps that will pay you to walk. Whether you're looking for gift cards, cash, or just some extra motivation to stay active, these apps have something for everyone. Walking is one of the easiest ways to improve your health, and now it can even boost your wallet. So which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more ways to earn while you move. Keep walking, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.